YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Nate Rodriguez, and I'm back again with another valuable video for you guys today. And in today's video, we are going over is losses and exactly how to look at losses and how to not let losses affect you in the long term. So to start off, the way I want to tell you guys to look at losses is look at losses in a business sense. Look at losses in a sense that you have to lose money in order to make money. You have to risk money in order to make money. No money comes without giving something in return for that. And in trading, an example, you're giving your risk. You're risking your capital in your account in order to be able to make a larger amount of capital. But in that, when you take risks, obviously, sometimes you might lose. You're not going to win every single time. If you ask anybody that really trades, anybody that really makes money in the markets consistently, they're going to tell you that they also lose money in the market. They may not lose consistently, they may not lose all the time, but at all times you have to be prepared for those losses. You have to have the correct mental framework to be able to deal with them losses and take them losses. And the way that I like to look at losses is, I'm going to lose, I'm paying for knowledge. So if I'm taking a loss, the way I look at it is, I'm going to learn from this loss. So anytime I take that loss, I look at that as, okay, I just paid for some knowledge, and I'm going to make sure that I always learn from all of my losses. I'm always going to study all of my losses. I'm always going to find out exactly why I took that loss, and I'm going to learn from it, so going forward, I don't make the same exact mistake. And how you do this is you document all your trades. So this right here, this is my trading journal. And pretty much what I do in here is I document all of my trades, and I actually write exactly why I took the trade, what was the result of the trade, when did I take the trade, and what could I do better on the trade. So I continuously document every single trade that I take. As you can see, there's losses in there, and there's an exact reason why I took the loss. And I continue to document these trades over and over and over again. And you also see that there's a lot of wins in this as well. But pretty much this is what you need to do, just to make sure that when you are taking your losses, that you're benefiting from them, and you're not just taking losses that are gonna get duplicated in the future. You want to make sure that these losses that you take, it's one and done. You learn from it. The next time you go to the market, you're more prepared. So again, like I just said, look at the losses as learning opportunities. Don't look at them as a bad thing. Look at it as it's bettering you for the future, for future trades. Always look at things long term. And also at the same time, once you take a loss, don't ever just sit there and stare at the market and look for another entry. Once you take a loss, remove yourself from the situation. Walk away. Go ahead, play some basketball. Go ahead, go to the gym. Go ahead, focus on something else for a little bit. Come back to the market with a clear mindset, and then understand why you lost and understand what do you believe the next move is coming in the future. Where were you wrong as direction wise, and what is the actual direction now, and why did you think that the previous direction was going to be the previous direction? Really want to just make sure that you're learning from everything. Make sure that you're never just losing just to lose, and you're not losing to learn. That's the biggest key. Make sure you're always losing to learn. If you're going to lose, get something out of it. Get something out of everything that happens to you negatively in the market, even in life. Make sure you always get something from it. Make sure you always grow from it. Make sure you always prosper from that situation, good or bad. And same thing with wins too. I actually want to touch on that as well. When you take wins, you don't want to just get overconfident and just hop into any trade going forward. When you take wins, you want to understand exactly why did you take that win. And when you understand exactly why you took that win, mentally you understand it wasn't an accident. It wasn't luck. It was you applying your knowledge, being disciplined, and executing on that knowledge that ended up ultimately getting you that win, which then ultimately will build your confidence in the future to take even more trades, because the trades that you're taking when you're winning for an exact reason, and it's not just by an accident. So that's pretty much it with losses. Just have the right mindset on losses. Don't look at losses like you're never going to have them, because you are going to have them. Accept that fact that you are going to have losses. And number two, look at losses as a business expense. Trading is your business at the end of the day. In business, it costs money to make money. In any other business that you would pursue, you would understand right off the bat that you're going to have to spend money to make money. So why would you look at trading any different? You're not just going to put some money in your account and ultimately just turn $1,000 to $100,000 without losing any money. No, along the way, you're going to make some profits, you're going to lose some profits. But what you need to make sure is that the profits that you make are always bigger than the losses that you take. That's all I got to say in this video. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. I hope you guys implement what I'm saying. And I wish you guys the best on your trading journey. If you guys have any questions, like I always say, comment down below, let me know. I'll be glad to help you guys. I'll be glad to clarify on anything that I said in this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.